the YIVO Institute for Jewish Research. My name is Alex Weiser. I'm the director of cultural programs at YIVO. We're so pleased to have you here with us for tonight's performance of the music from Khantshe in Amerike, which is a part of Carnegie Hall's United in Sound America at 250 Festival. We presented in collaboration with the American Society for Jewish Music. For those that don't know YIVO, we're a very special place for the celebration and the cultivation of Jewish history and Jewish culture. Throughout the year, we have lectures and film screenings, and everything from that to performances like this concert tonight. We teach Yiddish, and we have other classes. We have exhibitions, including a new one opening in just a few weeks on Jews, called Jews Are Magic, about Jews and the occult, with topics ranging from palm reading to mind reading. So you can check that out here very soon. But at the core of YIVO are our archival and library collections, some 24 million documents and 400,000 books, which are used by researchers around the world. And among those materials, there is some fascinating documentation of a very curious operetta that was premiered on New Year's Eve in 1912. And that's what we're going to hear tonight, Khantshe in Amerike. And in our collection, we have something like 4 complete sets of orchestral parts for this show. We have versions of the piano sheet music that were sold so that they could be played at home. We have a bootleg libretto published in Warsaw, and more. And we worked with a team to put this material together and to create a reconstruction that we could actually put forward in a performance. And that team was led by scholar Ronald Raboy, who we're really pleased to have here with us tonight from San Diego. Ron is one of the preeminent scholars of Yiddish theater music, and he's not only helped us create this reconstruction and wrote the amazing program notes that you'll see in your programs, but also helped coach the singers. Also coaching the singers who come to us from the Bard Vocal Arts Program, who we're just absolutely delighted to be working with. Also coaching them were their teachers at Bard, which include Lucy Fitzgibbon, Kayo Iwama, and Ryan McKeevo-McCullough, who just did incredible work with them. We're so grateful for the passion and the dedication that they've put into this project, as well as to the students themselves who did so much work with this piece over the course of the semester, including memorizing the entire show in a language that none of them speak, at least not yet. Maybe after this project, they're all making jokes to each other in Yiddish during rehearsals, so it's a very auspicious beginning for their Yiddish studies. I just want to say a thank you to the many, many people who made tonight possible. This was a very complex endeavor, from the score reconstructions and the help we had in the archives, down to creating the program booklet that you have and the super titles that you'll see, and editing the texts. There's so many people to thank, and I don't want to forget anyone, so just look at the end of your program booklet for some of those people. But just a few to mention briefly are Alex Brandwine, who designed this booklet, and David Brown, who helped us edit the Yiddish at the end of the process. It was a tremendous amount of work. We're so grateful for their help. And Julia Rothkopf, who works with me in public programs, but so many others. Thank you, everyone who made tonight possible. And thank you all for joining. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming the wonderful musicians.
The first scene opens with Khantshe's parents, Matel and Zalmen, bickering not only over what to do about the rude neighbor whose laundry has gotten tangled on the line with theirs, but also about Zalmen's toiling with laundry while Matel has no job. What's more, Zalmen feels Matel should go ask Goldhendler for a job. Goldhendler is Matel's wealthy acquaintance from the old country. But Matel's conviction is that his old compatriot is too rich now to care about the Matelsons, even though Khantshe works in Goldhendler's box factory. That has led to Zalmen's concern for Khantshe's job because of Khantshe's activism, all of which settles into them bickering over her future with Isidore, a young man she is interested in, though Zalmen thinks his interest in Khantshe is waning. And with that, Matel and Zalmen bicker in song about men, women, and marriage.
Pestet sich und weint, wer schält uns, wer macht uns denn teut?
Wer sorgt nicht Fahrverdienst, wer schaut sich zu dir Dienst, wer führt sich zu der Arbeit gehen?
Wer fresst und trinkt und säuft, mit den Border wer entläuft, und mit dem Schochens watsch und gehen. A Weib, oi, das ist ein schlecht Schick aus Säure. A Weib,
Es geht dir werden sein.
A Weib, rekel secholor. Alle Weiber sind in Poschet-Katz.
Oi, das, was drauf sich man, is a feigling a Tyrann. Schleume Chamelek hat geunten schlecht.
A Freus, if you please, a Chaya auf zwei Fies. Zwischen Tausend ist nicht eine recht. A Weib, a Weib, oi, das ist a schlechtste Kussheide. A Weib, a Weib,
Es könnte gar nicht sein.
Lachend gehört.
A man is very cheap, weil von a man so lieb. Hat's gemacht a Freu vor Spaß.
Wenn Zung ist lang, bei wem hat a Schlag, a Biscuit und von Etanas. A Weib, a Weib, oi, das ist a schlechtste Kussheide. A Weib, a Weib,
Es könnte gar nicht sein.
Khantshe, who became fed up with her low-paying job and the harassment of the foreman, poured a pot of glue over his head, quit her job, and encouraged the other young women factory workers to go on strike. The women wonder where she has gone off to, until she shows up and joins them in song about Khantsche's brash chutzpah and just plain toughness.
Wenn ihr hat mich nicht auf Mädel, habt ihr von mir Petsch.
Khantshe, now dressed as a young man, has secured a position with the Goldhendlers as their chauffeur, where he, that is she, turns the heads of all the women, including not only Goldhendler's wife and daughter, but also the Goldhendler's niece and Susie, their maidservant, as they all become infatuated with her, that is, him, while Susie is in turn being chased by Goldhendler. Meanwhile, Sammy, an elevator boy, has taken a job running the elevator in the Goldhendler mansion. Sammy is attracted to Susie, who is trying to avoid Goldhendler's advances at the same time that she has a crush on the chauffeur, which frustrates Sammy until he sees through the chauffeur's disguise and gets a crush on him, that is, her. The three of them in this working class triangle, Susie, Sammy, and Khantshe, sympathize with one another's plight, with their pangs of love, and sing of its bewitching effects.
Betracht im Atemweg, wie läuft mir noch ein Sieg in der neuen
all the women vie for time alone with the chauffeur, seeking to ride alone in the car with him. But when they all show up at the same time, they are taken shopping together as the chorus sings of speed and freedom and riding in an automobile. Sammy, faced with losing both of the women he's attracted to, that is, Susie and Khantshe, before he's found success with either of them, sings a witty song about possession that never materialized, a lament that can't help but be funny. Spoiler, the Yiddish verb for to have can signify possession, but as in English, can also be used in the formation of a past tense. Sammy, the show's song and dance man, plays the pun for all it's worth.
was man darf. Ich sag kein Degen, nee, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen. Ich hab a Watsch und Sheyn wie euch erlacket, mit der Sheyn Diamond eingefasst, gesehen einmal bei mein Boss in Westpacket, und Diamond Ring trockt euch, wenn ihm passt. Ich hab ein Räuberruck mit der Silkleining, mit Vorkauf so einer Kahlerreich von vor, mit fancy Packets, mit der Sackdesigning, Gesellheit in der größeren Clothing Store. Mein Weib hat 20 neue Kleider, a Diamond Necklace, Gott sei Dank, a Hut mit als a Kreuzen Feder, Gold haben Treu von lang. Ich hab nur kurz und scharf, hab alles, was man darf. Ich sag kein Degen, nee, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen. Ich hab nur kurz und scharf, hab alles, was man darf. Ich sag kein Degen, nee, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen. Ich hab ein Dienst von Candy Kinder kämen, Kuchen backen, eins Gold in der Welt, Gold von Heuschwein in mein Ei reinnehmen, hat man mich im Gasserreis gestellt. Ich hab ein Jerusche Keschme summen, von und Vetter, was verlass die Welt. Keinmal in mein Leben nicht bekommen, weil mein Vetter lebt und hat kein Geld. Ich hab was Sud gemacht zu Order, feine Ware, nett und schön, Gesellheit bei mein Schockensborder, Mekane bin ich ihm gewehen. Ich hab nur kurz und scharf, hab alles, was man darf. Ich sag kein Degen, nee, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen. Ich hab nur kurz und scharf, hab alles, was man darf. Ich sag kein Degen, nee, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen. Ich bett mein Schocken, rette mir das Leben, borg mir $10 verrennt. Umgetragt hat mir bald gegeben, zu verstehen, dass hat nicht a Cent. Ich hab a Carriage, was kein Anfährt läufen, 60 Meilen Stunde ganz gewiss, nicht gekannt Forden zu kaufen. Und der Frage ich, die war zu fies. Kapzon im Herr, dir darf nicht sorgen, euch helfen, wenn ich euch, wenn jeden nicht gekannt war morgen, bald wie ich fälle werden, Ich sag kein Gegenteil, ich hab schon alles, was ich darf bei anderen gesehen.
A women's suffrage rally is called, in which the speakers denounce the tyranny that men have imposed and call for the transnational liberation of women, with an explicit appeal to Jewish women to join the universal women's rights movement.
Ihr bleibt treu, schwert bei Gott. Ich weiß, als Gottes lange Haar euch sichel ihr hat. Ich bin sicher, als ihr Freuen wird keinen halten Assad. Lass sich mehr nicht von den Männern führen in Bad.
Thank you.
For the final act of Khantshe in Amerike, the action has moved from New York City's Lower East Side to Long Branch, New Jersey. And it opens as the chorus, bathing at the beach, sings an idyll about summer frolic and the beauty of nature. Susie and Sammy are still fencing with each other, but quickly grow closer as Sammy agrees to teach Susie to swim.
Gewalt hast du mir die Nase zerklappt. Was mir gemacht hast, schade. Wo jagst du sich, wo heilst du sich? Bis ich gekommen Schwere und lerne dich Netze. Ich schwimm warum im Wasser ich halt dich auf mein Plätze.
Nein, das ist nicht geht.
Willst du nicht, ist nicht.
Ich will dir kein Wohl vergessen, sei ja mein Gemein Lesen. Ich will kennen, schwimmen will ich kennen doch.
Sehst du Wasser, gehst du a Zeta, schau an neue Plana Gitter. Ich will dich lernen, guckt sich zu und tu mir noch.
As all the Shakespearean confusion approaches resolution, Sammy gets Susie, Khantshe gets Isidore, her love interest, whose non-singing role in this show means we have only encountered him in passing, and the Goldhendler women all learn that their chauffeur is a poseur. Khantshe comes out and sings an amazing song about the scale of her chutzpah and her unwillingness to settle for anything less than what she's entitled to. Oymein.
Die ganze Welt. rechte Saal. Herunter mit die Häusen und herunter mit dem Mann geht sie auch mit. Wenn sie steht und Halter spielt, Khantshe is a regular Pete. Mädel, Weibel, Salomon, sie schreit sie Khantshe, mit dem Schreck sich von der Mädel mit der Wanze. Wir haben euch recht, zu spielen ganze Nacht. Heute, es ist nicht schlecht. Khantshe is a lady schon eine ganze. Hoi, 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 Khantsche. Ach, wat, oh, Held, ins Gespräch, Lingenen, Hemd im Hemd von Khantsche, Khantsche. Nur wie ein Policeman spannt sie. Hoi, 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 Khantsche, nur Khantsche, was steht die ganze Welt. Wer geht zur Picknick, zur Bowling, Dancing School, besucht das Ried? Afrika, wie Chemena jed. Wer min geht men ob passiert? Wer den Tappen Butcher schafft, den Butchers Machbein unter dem Blick. Käuft sie ein Fisch härter Trick, liegt in Fahrt 5 Stück. Wer kann machen, gehen Watsch und Chain noch Khantshe. In dem Department Store lachen der Ganze. Wer es von die Tops zu neu geschaut vom Bluffs, Red, Hantiche und Puffs. Khantshe is a lady schon eine ganze. Hoi, 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 Khantsche. Ach, wat, oh, Held, nicht gespielt, Lingenen, Hemd im Hemd von Khantsche, Khantsche. Nur wie ein Policeman spannt sie. Hoi, 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 Khantsche, nur Khantsche, was steht die ganze Welt. Khantsche is a lady schon eine ganze. Hoi, 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 Khantsche. Ach, wat, oh, Held, nicht gespielt, Lingenen, Hemd im Hemd von Khantsche, Khantsche. Nur wie ein Policeman spannt sie. Hoi, 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 Khantsche, nur Khantsche, was steht die ganze Welt.